What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, blushrushbyfarjana. Today I'll teach you how to apply false lashes. But before starting the video, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get started. So first thing first, we'll take a false lash. Yes, I'm going to measure it according to our eye shape, and then normally what we do, we cut it from the end, this end, right? But I'm not going to do that because look at this featherly look. I don't want to ruin it. That's why I'll cut it, but from the inner end. So let's do it. So this is the lash. I'm going to apply it now, but before applying, take your glue. Normally I prefer duo. It's really good, and those of you who have sensitive eyes, it's better to choose any lash glue which are latex free. So there's two ways to apply the glue on false lashes. So first one is you can apply it directly, and second one is you can take something like this and then take some glue on top of it. Like, let me show you how I do it. Like this, just a little amount. And if you're comfortable with your finger, you can use your finger, but if you want, you can use tweezer too. Now I'm going to apply the false lashes like this. That glue on my false lashes like this. So just see what I do. Like this. I'm just going to make some movement of the lash. See, it's on my lashes. Now I'll wait for like 30 seconds. I have seen many people who close their eyes before applying the lashes, which is absolutely wrong, because if you do that, your lash glue will like stick with your lower lash and then you have to reapply again, or you will think that I can't apply lashes. But trust me, if you just look at your mirror like this and then apply the lashes, it works like magic. But for those who are beginner, they can take a small mirror like this one and place it right below the lower lashes, and then with the help of a tweezer or your finger, apply it right above the upper lash line. When you think that it's already on the middle, it's sticking your eyes, then take your tweezer or your finger. I feel comfortable with my finger, and then set the corners. So that's it. This is how you have to apply your false lashes. Isn't that easy and quick? By the way, these are very subtle and soft lashes, but if you are looking for something dramatic, you can check this out. This is the one. I bought them from Amazon. I'll be giving the link below. You can check it out. And one thing to share, when you cut these lashes, you can see these are very fluffy. You can keep aside, don't throw it, and you can use them to create makeup looks. Yes, like this one. If you want to see, please check this out. That's it for today. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now. And let me know what looks you want me to do next by commenting below. Until then, please stay home, stay safe.